Hey guys, Too Fast Timey here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a realistic car paint shader in Blender version 2.83. With that said, let's get started. So I'm going to go here, A, X, Shift A, UV Sphere, Object, Shade Smooth, Shading. Now we're going to do New Material. We're going to move the material output over here. We're going to press Shift A and search. Now we're going to type in mix. I'm going to get mix shader. We're going to place it here. Now I'm going to hold shift and click on both. Move them up. Now we're going to go and search layer white. That's going to go into the base of the mix shader. Now we're going to shift A again. And we're going to search mix shader again. Move that so you know it's a bit tight. Shader's gonna go into middle shader output of the mix shader. We're gonna do Shift A, search glossy BSDF. I'm gonna put that here. It's gonna go into shader output 1. I'm gonna click on it, Shift D, and that's gonna go into shader output 2. Now I'm gonna Shift A again and search Voronoi texture, which is at the bottom, and the color is going to go into the base of the mix shader as so. You can see everything here is right. And we're going to go to principled BSDF. We're going to set roughness to just 0. Now we're going to click on base color right here. We're going to make sure we're on hex BD4500. Oops, sorry. BD400. My fingers slipped. We're gonna go Control C, Control V, Control V. I'll make this one a little bit brighter, this one a little bit darker, to be so like that. Now we're gonna go back to the Voronoi texture. I'm gonna do 500. This one's gonna be 0.350. This one's gonna be 0.400. Blend's gonna be 0.700. Now I'm gonna go here, scene world up. I'm gonna change this HDR. What's this one called? Studio Light, whatever, the city. Go here, render engine, cycles, GPU compute, and as you can see, you now have your realistic car paint shader. To do whatever, you can change the color. So for example, if you want to, you can go here and change it to blue. And since you have these two glossy PDFs, these act is, I guess you could say, color contrast. So you can see we kind of got the orange, and then we got, like, you know, that dark blue. And say if we go here, we can change that. But I would say go give it like that red, kind of red, slight pinkish. And then you can kind of give it that pearly look, as you can see there. It looks really nice. Got the nice flakes and stuff. But yeah, that's really all that there is to it. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you want to see more tutorials, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till then, Too Fast Timey. Peace.